In this video, we will demonstrate how to install a single-split Teflon seal and a no-split FKM seal. Crankshaft seals are also available in Teflon double-split as well as FKM single-split. The same installation guidelines can be followed for all available seal types. Gallagher fluid seals uses a specialized technique to cut splits in the crankshaft seal. If you are using a Teflon seal with a single or double split, use caution to not deform the edges of the seal. Once the seal is in place, push the edges of the split together so that they sit flush against each other. Finally, stretch the included O-ring over the seal. If you are using an FKM seal with no split, ensure your crankshaft has no sharp edges prior to installation. Stretch the seal over the crankshaft, turning the cog as you go. Expect a snug fit. This process should not damage the seal. Once the main seal is in place, add the included O-ring. After stretching a no-split FKM seal over a crankshaft, it's important to wait 20 to 30 minutes before setting the crankshaft into the block. This allows the seal to retract to its original size. Once the seal is installed, an O-ring lubricant is applied evenly around the seal to ensure that the crankshaft and seal can nest smoothly in the block without any gaps or leaks. Once the seal is securely on the crankshaft, it's time to set it into the engine block. Gently set the crankshaft in place. Press the seal into place once more and ensure all sealing lips are properly aligned. Inspect the split to ensure final alignment.